Hello, Shepherd Glenn. Do you want to play a game? I want to play a game. As you can see, you are being watched at all times. So keep your hands to yourself. There's no screaming, no crying for mommy, no crying for daddy. No one can help you. No one can save you.
Then put your little hand in mine. There ain't no hill or mountain. Then put your little hand in mine. There ain't no hill or mountain we can't climb.
Vandy live on idealclubworld.com. Get in touch with the show on Twitter at VandyOfficial and share with your friends using the hashtag FunkySide.
You're listening to the sounds of Ideal Club World Radio.
Hi, I'm Alex.
I'm Remco B.
Hi, this is Trigon and Slide.
Hey, this is Demi.
Yes, work that hide. It's FunkySide with Vandy.
Going out to the hardcore hip hop. 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 Hip hop, hip hop, hip hop, hip hop, hip hop. That's the sound of the police.
Van Dam with a side of extra ounce.
Shake that baby, driving me crazy. Get up, get up.
Hi, this is Bronx Cheer.
Hi, this is Audio Jacker.
Hey, this is DJ Mark Berkman from sunny Miami.
Buenas friends, this is Miguelito from the Cuban Brothers. You're listening to Vandy on Ideal Club World. Keep it locked, friends. Buenas.
Your weekend starts here. It's the weekend alarm clock with Vandy.